Today we were bass fishing and I was using a watermelon red yum craw on a number 4 hook with a split shot on it, with split shot weight, and I'm using a H2O bait caster on 20-pound braided line. I was throwing this crawfish. I was throwing this craw in tall grass and rocks and stuff like that. And I was also using a shad crankbait on another bait caster that I didn't really catch anything on. And I like to throw that one in open water so it won't get snagged on anything.